Hey guys, I'm Dina from simplyhomecooked.com, and today I'll be showing you how to make the fudgiest chocolate cookies known to mankind. The cookie dough alone is super rich and chocolatey, but then there's melty morsels of semi-sweet chocolate swirled all throughout the cookie. It is a chocolate lover's dream cookie. It is so indulgent. All right, let me show you how to make it. So the first thing you want to do is measure 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and make sure you spoon it in and level it off with a knife. Measuring that flour properly is super important when baking. Now place a fine mesh sieve on top of your mixing bowl and add the flour along with a 1/3 cup of Dutch cocoa powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Now gently sift those dry ingredients into your bowl. If you see any large clumps appear, just take the back of a spoon and kind of mash it up. It'll go right through. Now set aside your dry ingredients for later. In a separate bowl, add a 1/3 cup of unsalted melted butter, along with 1/2 cup of granulated sugar and 1/2 cup of golden brown sugar. Now using a whisk, thoroughly mix the sugar and melted butter together. Now add 1 large egg plus 1 large egg yolk. Then pour in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now grab your whisk again and mix it in very well. You want the consistency to be very smooth, so this might require a little bit of elbow grease. See that ribbony consistency? That's exactly what you're looking for. Now grab your sifted dry ingredients and add them to the butter and sugar mixture, and mix gently with a spatula. Now before adding 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips, you'll want to reserve about a 1/4 cup of that. You'll use that later when topping the cookies before baking. Okay, now mix your chocolate chips into the cookie dough as evenly as possible. Now by this point, if you've lost all control and started eating cookie dough by the spoonful, I highly encourage you to just grab a cup of milk and enjoy the moment. No judging here. Now line your baking sheet with parchment paper and grab your cookie scoop. Scoop out heaping mounds of the chocolate cookie dough mixture onto your baking sheet. And make sure to space them out at least 2 inches apart. Now you can leave the cookies as they are, or I actually like to roll each ball into my hand for a prettier cookie look, but that's totally optional. Now top each cookie with a few of those chocolate chips you reserved earlier and bake them at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 9 minutes. Once they're baked, let them cool just slightly before enjoying them. All right, it is time for the taste test. All right, decisions. Which one do I want to pick? Go for this one. And I want to give you guys a nice good close-up to show you how fudgy these cookies really are. Oh boy, look at that. Oh yes. All right. Ah! That is so yummy. It's so fudgy. This is all it's missing. Oh, what a delicious cookie. If you love chocolate, this is literally gonna be your next best friend. These cookies are so good. If you guys enjoyed watching this video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Be sure to share and subscribe to our channel so you guys never miss out on any of our new recipes. See you next time.